Hello, dear listener. This is M. Suleiman Enterprise. In this lesson, we will learn about slip ring motor from the control circuit. Right? So, from the control circuit, we'll have the supply voltage of live 1 and live 3 or neutral. So, from here, we have used the supply voltage of live 3. Right? So, let's start with live 3. From the outpoint, from the supply voltage of live 3, it will go to the in point of 1 amp circuit breaker and out point of 1 circuit breaker to the overload, and then also it will be looped to the A2 of the coil, and that is it about the wire of live 3. So from the supply of live 1, it will be connected to the in point of 1 amp circuit breaker, and the output of 1 amp circuit breaker will be connected to the voltmeter, in which will give the reading of 100 volts because we have connected it with a 3-phase supply. Right. Also, again, the output of 1 amp circuit breaker will be connected to the in point of overload, normally closed contact, and output will be connected to the in point of emergency stop button, normally closed contact, and then output will be connected to the in point of stop button, normally closed contact, and then the output of stop button will be connected to the in point of normal open of start button. Right? Start button, before the start button and after the stop button, the wire will be looped to the normal open contact of the run contact, and then after the start button, it will be connected to the normally closed contact of start contact. So we have the start contact and the run contact, and after the run contact will be connected to the normal open contact of retainer of the coil of contactor, and also it will be looped. The wire will be looped to the wire after the start button, right? And then after the contact of normally close contact of start contact, it will be connected to A1 of coil of contact, and then also the output of normal open contact of a contactor, which is our retainer. It will be looped all the way to A1 of coil of contactor, right? So this is what will happen when we press the start button. It will create close contact and current will flow. Okay, switch on your 1 amp circuit breakers, press the start button, current will flow and finds close contact of start contact. So the start contact must help our coil to be energized, and our run contact is the one that will help our coil to keep on running, right? The run contact will help our coil to keep on running along with the retainer of the contactor, right? So when we press that button, current will flow all the way to A1 of coil of contactor, and from A2 to get live 3, which means coil of contactor will be on. When it's on, it will affect these contacts. It will be closed here, and then since our coil is energized, when it keeps on running, when it keeps on being energized, that's when it affects the run contact to be closed. It triggers the run contact when when the motor keeps on running, right? That's where it triggers the the run contact to be closed and the start contact to be open, because the start contact has helped us to start the coil of contactor, and the run contact and the retainer of contactor, they are the ones that will help the coil to keep on running. So that's how the control circuit of slip ring motor operates. So that is it about it. So catch us in the next lesson. Goodbye.